I just found a YouTube channel that has gained over 4 million subscribers and more than 1.5 billion views, just by uploading videos that were created entirely with AI. But what's even crazier is they got monetized with their very first video, which pulled in more than 30 million views. And that was just the beginning. Now they have a video with over 400 million views, another one with more than 200 million, and almost every video they post gets millions of views, with barely any effort. And in this video, I'll show you how to copy their exact strategy and create videos just like theirs so you can jump into this niche and potentially earn thousands of dollars in your first month. Now, some of you might think you can't make money with YouTube Shorts, but trust me, you're wrong. If we go back 3 years ago, the RPM for Shorts was around 2 cents, which was terrible. But now in 2025, YouTube has increased the RPM to 60 cents, which is a massive difference. Even if we use a lower RPM, let's say 30 cents, and take their 1.1 billion views in a single month, that means they made around $300,000 just from AI-generated content. That's insane. And since making these videos is so easy, anyone with the right blueprint can get similar results. Even if you hit just a fraction of what they've done.
I made a faceless YouTube automation channel to prove that it's not going to make as much money as my personal channel. But I monetized it in 5 days. In the first month, since I started uploading videos, it made me $1,000, over $2,000 in the second month. Now this channel made over $9,000 in a few months. At the same time, I made a second channel with the same video, monetized it in 15 days, and made almost $400 in the first month. In this video, I'll show you my YouTube analytics, how much YouTube pays for 1 million views, my full revenue breakdown, and how you can get the same results or better.
When YouTube first began, people were just happy to be able to post their videos online for free.
Favorite sites online that lets you upload, tag, and share your video with the rest of the world, or just family and friends if you prefer.
Yes, the site's called youtube.com.
But then YouTube started sharing ad revenue with creators and paying creators to promote their products. Suddenly, being a YouTuber was an actual job.